Hello, welcome to the video. I am Emre and I will tell you about exaggeration feature of Power BI. As you know, we run many campaigns in marketing industry and set KPI to measure our success. Instead of using a tool, we do it manually. As a result, we cannot obtain the data and using it effectively. Power BI helps you to create dashboard by connecting services like Google Analytics, SQL, MailChimp, and etc. And okay, this is the general view of Power BI. As you can see, there is a tiny bar in here and including 3 different sites. Also, we have the visualization tool. Also, we have the dataset. As we can mention, we are on report and now we are going to go data site. Here is data site. You can manage your data. You can change your data type. You can format and categorize it. Also, additionally, you can sort by column or you can create a data group. Also, manage the relationships between data. And when you click on it including a description. You can change your data type from here. You can change your data format in here and also you can categorize from here. And now we are going to go models, and model is important because it shows us how data works, and this is the data table. We generally split 3: dimension table and fact table. Dimension table is more about expression, but fact table is stores the data, quantitative data. And using data analyzes expression, so we call it DAX, we can try to get meaningful insight. As you can see, I have calculated 4 different exaggeration, which name is sum, which name is max, which name is mean and average. If I describe you, I can say sum is adds all the numbers in a column, max is returns the largest value in a column, and mean is returns the smallest value in a column, and average is returns the average of all the numbers in column. Okay, how can we create a DAX? It is really basic. Just click the new measure and then you are going to see like that. Mean sales. It is a name of DAX. I call it mean sales. My aim is to find the minimal number in the column. And just you need to write mean and choose the table. I choose and choose the data, sale and sales amount. And okay, just that's it. Also, I am going to see some sales. It is the same format. There is no difference. Also, maximize. There is no difference. It is the same thing. And also, average. And there is no difference. It's the same thing. It sounds basic, but imagine you have a product and you want to sell it 18 to 15.5. How can be sure you target the right audience? You need to find your average. That's why it is important. Okay, thank you. And next time I am going to tell you a different topic. And also you can find more information dataonmarketing.com. And see you later. Have a good day.